Well, a good Monday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome everyone to my home in the sticks. Hope everybody's having a good Monday and a good start to a new week. But over here in East Central Mississippi, look like it's finna rain. Before we get started on today's video, I'm always going to say that if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over her, I sure enough thank you for coming back. What I want to share with you and y'all today is we're going to do something that I have been slacking on big time. Give me a second, I'm finna tell you about it. Dan, what you going on about things that you've been slacking on? Well, I'm here to tell you. I do a lot of product reviews over here at the Home in the Sticks. Most of the stuff I buy because it's things that I need. And I should be updating you and y'all on how they're doing and how they're working and what I think about it thus far. So today, we are gonna take a look at my outdoor shower. I did a video about a year ago when I built it, and I wanna tell you how everything's been working. So let's go walk around to the back of the shop. All right, look at there. Here is my outdoor shower. Did a little bit of few modifications on it, not much, but that right there is gonna be different. Put in a shower curtain. My dad come over for a month after Hurricane Ida, and he's like, hey, you need a shower curtain on there. So I put a shower curtain in. Don't know why, but I guess for privacy reasons, you need a shower curtain, but it's just me over here. Put me a little shelf on here just to put all my shower taking utensils on, and everything else is pretty much the same except for this. This is a Camp Lux on-demand water heater. In my other video, I had a GASLAND outdoor heater or on-demand hot water heater, so to speak. And I'm here to tell you I had nothing but problems with it. I used it for a few months. When it got cold, I want to say 40, 45 degrees, I really started having problems with that with that on-demand water heater. The seals were starting to rot and blow, and I had leaks all over the place, so I got rid of it. Several months ago, I bought this guy right here, and it's a Camp Lux. If I'd have done my research like I should have, I probably would have purchased this one first, or I'd have just purchased this one and not the GASLAND. Haven't had any problems, knock on wood, with this unit thus far. It works flawlessly, and that's all I could say about it. This one doesn't have all the fancy digital readouts and all that stuff. It's just max water, max heat, and that's it, and it works great. And of course, this one has a battery as well, 2 D-cell batteries that run the igniter. So that's what I'm using right now, and I couldn't be more happy with it. The reason why I'm doing these videos, and let me back up and say, it has been 1 year since I've had my outdoor shower up, and I had the GASLAND on-demand water heater working. Got rid of it, got the Camp Lux. So yeah, I have been really slacking on doing updates on the gear and equipment that I use over here at the Home in the Sticks, and I'm going to fix that because I have quite a few other things that I'm going to do some updates on. But this is a 1-year update on the outdoor shower. Thus far, working really good, and I'm liking it. I love taking showers outdoors. And I didn't have to spend a whole bunch of money getting another hot water heater and plumbing in, ripping holes or drilling holes in my walls just to plumb everything. So this works good. And another reason for doing this video is if you're into camping or motorhoming and stuff like that, and you want a on-demand hot water heater that works really, really well, very efficient, and you look for something that works off of propane, I'm gonna have to say, give this one a look right here. Well, all right, that's what I wanted to share with you and y'all today. A 1-year update on my outdoor shower. Had to switch out and get rid of the GASLAND. I switched over to a Camp Lux, working really good. If you're looking for a good, solidly built on-demand hot water heater for outside, check out the Camp Lux. So again, I hope everybody's having a show enough good Monday, and I hope everybody stays safe this week amid this crisis that we still have going on. If you like this video, go and give it a thumbs up, they help. you haven't subscribed to the Home and Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here, give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff. Like not doing the reviews, 1 year reviews I should be doing. That being said, you know it's coming Dan reference show enough, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody do your shine. And I mean nobody, you show enough get your shine on, it's important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.